All right, guys, welcome back to another workout with Coach Sean. Here with Noah. He's going to do some of the demos today for us. Basically, what you need is some tape on the floor or on the ground outside, or you can use chalk as well. Obviously, we have our good shoes on, good footwear, our shoes are tied. But obviously, before that, go through our dynamic warm-up, 7 to 10 minutes. Make sure we're warmed up and ready to go for this, okay? So after we've done that, we're going to set up our tape. So I'm going to change the camera angle here. So I'm going to move a little bit, but it's going to look like that. So we are obviously you need someone to time for you, or you can time for yourself. It's a little bit easier if you have some timing because you're not having to hold it and look at the stopwatch while you're jumping around. So the first one we're going to do is forward and backwards with 2 feet. So he's just going to use this line here, the one in front of him. He's going to ignore the other line. You could also set the second line up after. We just set it up now to save some time, but he's just going to go forward and backwards. Okay. On the balls with his feet. Nice and quick. Okay, and he's trying not to touch that line. Okay, stop. Okay, so we're probably on these ones. I know, sorry, you guys can't see my face, but for this purposes, we need to see the ground more than my face. We'll do 10-second rounds. We'll do 3 or 4 rounds of each one, okay? And we'll rest for about 30 seconds of each one because we want it to be recovered and ready to go. So if we were doing a training session, Noah would jump back up and do a forward and backwards, okay? But now we're going to move on. So let's say we did those 3 to 4 rounds, okay? We got, get some water in between the next one before maybe it'll take a minute before you switch to the next one. So the next one would be lateral, so it means side to side. Okay, good. We'll say that's 10 seconds. That wasn't 10 seconds, but that was speeded up for the purpose of this video. So he just went side to side, similar thing, same thing, right? Then what we're going to do is we're going to change it. We're going to change the single leg. So obviously on single leg, we have to do it both sides. So we can do it 2 to 3 times each side for 10 seconds each, okay? When you're on one leg, the control needs to be emphasized more. And we're not necessarily worried about the speed, we're more about stability and control, okay? So if he picks a foot for a single leg, forward and backwards, ready, go. Okay, same thing, he's under control. He's trying to keep that other leg still, he's not using it to swing around. Good, good. Okay, then obviously you would switch legs and go forward and backwards in the other leg. Then we go again, we're going to give a little bit of rest in between, about 30 seconds each leg. And then we're going to take a minute rest after we're done each leg 2 to 3 times, okay? So you guys decide how much you want to do. If you're feeling good, you do 3. If you're a little bit tired, you do 2. The next one, we're going to go as lateral, and we're doing the side to side. So he's going to pick a foot, and he's going to, obviously on this one, you have to do both sides again. It's a 10-second round. Here we go. It's a quick. Go. Good. Okay? So that's going to be it for going side to side and forward and backwards, double and single leg, okay? Then we're going to switch. We're going to, obviously, if you don't already have this down or haven't drawn this down, we're going to basically make like a, I don't know, we call it a plus sign or some type of cross pattern, okay? You're going to establish it. It doesn't have to be, and there's no specific dimensions for this. It's really just to give us some guidelines, okay? So he's going to start up here on the top, his left in the top, okay? And he's going to go around. So he's going to go in a circle, or I guess a square. The right thing. He's going to go around. Okay. Good. And that's going to be, he's going to do that 2 to 3 times that direction and 2 to 3 times the other direction. Short 30-second rest in between, reset, and go the other way. Okay. So just so he's going both ways and make it equal. Okay. The next thing he's going to do the same thing. He's going to do a single leg. So this time he'll go the opposite way. So you guys see what the opposite way looks like. It's the same thing. Just kind of moving around the box there. Okay, once he's done that, we're going to do a star pattern. So he's going to start in the center with his feet on basically the middle of the cross. Okay, he's going to jump out, his feet are going to go out. He's going to jump back to the center, he's going to jump backwards, feet are going to go out. Okay, and this is also going to be for time. So we would probably do like a 10-second rounds, 3 to 4 rounds, 10 seconds, as many as you can get. Okay, I'm going to adjust the camera now because you can see my face, you can see our faces again. The last thing we're going to do is a descending pyramid. So he's going to do, it's the you go, I go situation. So So if you have a sibling or your mom or your dad or your aunt or uncle want to jump and do it with you, it's going to be, we're going to start at 8 reps, and the first person is going to do 8 reps of the exercise, the second person is going to do 8 reps of the exercise. So let's say Noah's by himself, and he didn't have a partner, he would just time how long it took to do it. So when he goes, he would start his timer, then he would stop his timer after he's done the first round, which is 8 reps of squats, 8 jumping jacks, 8 lateral lunges. So once he's done 8 of each one of those, you stop the timer. Once the time's equaled the same amount as he took to do the first round, then you do 7 and time the next round, and so on until he gets done with 1, and then he's done. Then that would be the end of the workout, okay? So for just basic purposes of demoing, he's going to demo these exercises quickly. Okay, so we'll make him do, I lost my spot, sorry. We're going to do 8 squats, 8 jumping jacks, and then he's going to do 8 lateral lunges, okay? So he's going to go through that. I'm going to basically time him. I'll say, hey, okay, I will say go, and we'll start the timer. Okay, go. Back leg's gotta get straight. There it is, better. That's some bad examples. This is 8 each side on this one, okay? Okay, good. So let's say that took him 31 seconds. I don't know exactly how long it took him, but let's just arbitrarily say that took 31 seconds. Then he would get 31 seconds, and then the next round he would start at 7, and then 6, and then so on, descending all the way down until he gets down. Okay? So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for joining us again. Hope to talk to you soon.